If you have a garage door opener and you want to reset all your codes, kind of fully reset everything, maybe somebody stole your remote or you lost one, and you don't want to have it out there in the world, or it's tied to your car and you're selling the car, just any reason you want to do a full clean reset, clear out all the codes and all the remotes that are linked up to your garage door opener. It's a pretty simple process. So this is the LiftMaster, and what we're going to do is find the Learn button, and you're just going to want to press that in for 6 seconds. And that little indicator light in there is going to turn on. And then when that button is that light turns off, we're just going to release the button again. And that's going to reset all of the codes. And then when you do that, all of your clickers are not going to work anymore. It's not going to cause the door to open and close. You have to sync those up again. But it's good if you lost one, or you just want to do a clean reset and start over, or gave one to somebody, you don't want them having access. Again, hold that button down for 6 seconds. A little light will come on, a little indicator light. Depends on the unit, but at least on this one, indicator light comes on. When the indicator light goes off, let go of the button. It's all cleared out and you're reset and ready to go.